Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a lovely Kerala style chammanthi. Now this is something that we make with coconut and the flavors are just incredible. It's a very quick and easy recipe that you can make and the best way to enjoy it with some nice steaming rice. So let's get started and check it out. First we need to roast a few ingredients for this recipe. To a pan, add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. I have taken 2 onions for this recipe and I have chopped it roughly. You may take the big onions or the shallots to make this chammanthi. Today I am preparing this dish in my own style, slightly different from the original version. You can prepare the recipe by grinding all the ingredients raw. That's one method of preparing this chammanthi. For those of you who are not very fond of the raw onion flavors like me, you can try this method and you can slightly roast the onions and prepare this dish. Next, I'm adding about 10 red chillies. Add a few pieces of tamarind. You can adjust the quantity of chillies according to your taste. Once all the ingredients are roasted, transfer it to a plate and let it cool completely. Once the ingredients are completely cooled, transfer to a mixer jar. I have taken 1 whole coconut for this recipe. You can adjust the quantity of onions according to the quantity of coconut you are using. Add a few fresh curry leaves, a few pieces of ginger chopped, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of rock salt, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and close the jar. Grind the ingredients without adding any water. You can scrape off the sides and grind it to a slight coarse mixture. So you have to do this a bit patiently. So you can see it's come together very beautifully. The consistency is perfect. Transfer it to a plate. There you go. Here is delicious and tasty Kerala style coconut chammanthi which is ready to be served. So you can just shape it like a nice big ball like I have done. This is a simple recipe you can prepare when you don't have vegetables at home or you're just feeling a bit lazy to prepare a regular meal. This can be served with some nice hot steaming rice along with a teaspoon of ghee. I'll give you a couple of links to the other chutney recipes I've made earlier. You can check them out. Well, it's time to taste this Kerala coconut chammanthi. I've already mixed with rice here. I'm already starting to drool, salivating too much. I'm going to taste this and tell you how it is. Oh my god. The flavors are just incredible. I can't stop eating at this moment. I'm just going to have one more mouth. It's just so good, so good. The flavors are just incredible. This is what I call soul food because I really enjoyed it and I just couldn't stop eating it. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and do share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.